Hi, are you looking to migrate from 20 other tools to go high level and you're still thinking to keep your Vimeo or Vistia to host your videos? Then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how you can use go high level to host your videos using media storage or memberships. So let's get started. This is Sagina Kazmi, your digital gal. So the first thing you have to do is log into your GoHighLevel account. I'm using a demo account here, and you can go to media storage. And for now, this is quite disorganized. The best thing you can do from scratch is like when you start your sub account and when you're setting up, don't add images like this. So the first thing you have to do is create your folder. You see a plus icon here, click here and name your folder. If you have multiple videos or if you have a playlist, you can create folders for each playlist. For example, I'm creating this playlist 1, and the first thing you can do is download the videos from Vimeo or whatever hosting platform you have for your videos. And if I double click here, currently it's empty, so you have to upload videos from your laptop, computer, or wherever you have the videos. You can click here upload and choose the videos from your account. So I'm uploading one of the video to my account, so you can upload as many videos as you want. Once the video is uploaded, you can just copy the link and share the link with anyone, or you can share the link with emails if you're giving access to people of your videos. So this will take some time to upload, but once this is uploaded, it will show up. Yep. So it's uploaded. You click here and get link. So this will be your preview link, just like you have one link from Vimeo or Vistia or even YouTube links. So this link you can use across your website, funnels, and to access a video. You can even copy paste and access the video. So for now, it's giving me option to download the video directly because it takes some time to fully edit the video here. So that's how you can upload the videos. The second step is how to upload the videos in the membership. So I'm just sharing one glimpse of how it looks like when you create a course in the membership. So for example, you can even create a playlist or a checklist. So let's go back. And for now, I'm not going to show you the complete course. I'm just going to show you how you can create your product. Okay, so let's go to this account. Yeah, you can go to memberships from the left menu, go to courses, go to products, and now create product from scratch. Let's use build your own from blank, and here you can name my videos. So when you upload the videos to membership, you will not have the link, like you cannot share link with anyone for each individual video. So that's the drawback. That's why the best way is you can upload the videos in media storage, and that way you can get a link which you can share with your audience. The benefit of creating membership is if you have a course in your Vimeo account and you want to create that same course in Go High Level, so you can follow the same steps that I did, and then you can create the category. Let's say it's welcome, or let's say it's module 1, and then you can have lesson 1 or video 1. Then you can edit the lesson, and here now you can upload the video. Now here you can upload the video, upload the audio, even upload the thumbnails from the video, add description. So can upload the video from your device or add a link or embed code. So previously we didn't have these two options, link or embed code. We could only upload from our device, but this is good. You can even add videos from your link or any embed code. So I'm going to use my device option. I'm going to upload this same video again. Click upload. Now it will take some time, but make sure that your files are less than 5 GB, which is a lot. So you have the maximum limit of 5 GB. This will take some time, and once it's done it will show up as a lesson here. So it's a good way to use memberships to create your courses and move your courses from Kajabi, from Kartra, Vimeo. Once it's fully added, click published and save. Make sure that the size for the thumbnail is this. It will show up like this. I'm going to show a preview. Okay, so that's how it's going to show up. This is actually one of the testimonial for me. Okay, now you know how to use GoHighLevel to host your videos, and you don't have to worry about keeping any of your third-party tools to host your videos. Let me know if you have any questions and comments. Thank you.